Hi boys and girls, we're back for another fun direct drawing. Today you're going to need to go ahead and get out your white piece of paper. Remember, we're using portrait mode, so you're going to stand that up tall just like this. Good job boys and girls. This is going to be a fun one today. I think you might be surprised at who is hiding in our egg. So you're going to start out, you need the colors black, blue, yellow, orange, pink or purple, and green. Go ahead and pause the video while you get your crayons now. Good job, boys and girls. Let's begin. We're going to begin with that nice big curve again. Remember, all of this pictures in this series are going to start the same way. You're going to go ahead and give me that fun egg crack like this, and then we'll get started on who is hiding in this egg. Let's go ahead and make a curve. Don't go all the way up to the top. We need some space up there today. Just like that again. Good job, boys and girls. Now, in the middle of this curve, we're going to do a big oval, and an oval kind of looks like an egg. And this one's going to be laid over on its side because this is going to actually be our creature's nose. So you're going to do the nose like this by putting two lines like that and kind of a smile at the bottom. Good job, boys and girls. Next, we're going to do our eyes like this today. They're going to actually be closed, and we're going to do eyelashes. Girls, I think you might find that to be very fun to put eyelashes on there. Next, boys and girls, we're going to give our creature probably its most distinguishing feature, which means I bet that you can start to guess what this is going to be. I want you to do a line like this, and you're going to go up and make one horn just like that. Can you guess what this might be, boys and girls? If you guessed a unicorn, you're right. Now we're going to do the unicorn's ears by kind of coming to a point at the top like this to make it look like ears that you might see on a horse or a zebra or a unicorn. And then let's detail it by giving it the inner part of the ear like this. The next thing we're going to do, boys and girls, is we're going to give it hair. So I want you to come down like this. The hair on a unicorn or a horse is called a mane. And we're going to make our mane nice and colorful because we've got a unicorn here. So what you're going to do is you're going to do line in here so that we can color each of these sections a different color. Oh, how fun. The next thing you're going to do, boys and girls, is you're going to go back and we're going to put those lines in the bottom of our egg so we can make the eggshell colorful again. Good job, boys and girls. I'm going to give you a second so that you can catch up on this unicorn. So in this picture today, we have a unicorn hatching out of our egg. I hope you were surprised by that. Now, when we color the unicorn, we're going to color just the inside part of the ear like this. Again, my pink is a little purple, so I'm just using it kind of lightly. And then you're going to use that same color, boys and girls, to color in the nose. The body of the unicorn is going to be white. We're going to have a white unicorn, boys and girls, so don't color anything other than the nose and the inside part of the ear so far. Then what you're going to do is you're going to use the same color. We're just going to press differently. So I'm going to press really hard on this first section of the horn so that my color is dark like that. And then I'm going to do a lighter version just by lightly coloring. And then again, I'm going to go ahead and push harder with my crayon and then finishing it up lightly, just like that. Oh, our unicorn's really coming together, boys and girls. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to use some fun colors to make our unicorn's mane. Now watch what I want to do, because we're going to actually use 3 colors. Even though it only looks like we have 2 sections, we're going to use 3 colors. So the first one I want you to do is I want you to get out your yellow and just color halfway in the outer part of this unicorn's mane like this. Okay, again, I'm going quickly so you can see what it looks like, and then you can pause the video at the end to finish yours. Okay, so now we've got some yellow in our mane. Then we're going to take orange and we're going to color all the way to that first black line, orange. So that first section of the mane, boys and girls, is yellow and orange. Nice work, boys and girls. The last color we're going to use in the mane is that same pink or pinkish purple color. And we're going to go ahead and color the rest of that mane. Just like that. So look at how colorful that unicorn's mane is. The next piece we're going to do, boys and girls, is we're going to pattern the stripes in our egg. So I'm going to go ahead and start with my pinkish purple. And I'm going to do it dark just to give it some good contrast to that white unicorn body that's coming out of that eggshell like that. And then, boys and girls, feel free to get creative. Miss Brockman's going to do different colors like this in hers. So I'm doing my pinkish purple, my orange. I'm going to give it some yellow. I'm going to give it some green. And I'm going to give it some blue there at the bottom. Now, boys and girls, if you did more stripes than Miss Brockman, feel free to keep going with your pattern. Remember, a pattern is something that repeats. So you want to follow the color section that you already picked. When you're finished, your picture should look about like this. Hope you enjoyed the unicorn today. Bye, boys and girls.